Khan al-Khalili. It is a famous bazaar in Cairo or souk. It has become Cairo's main tourist attraction, not only for tourists but also Egyptians alike. And this is a home for artisans, craftsmen. They sell a lot of vintage things, and actually the streets are very old but beautiful. Like, you will love walking around, and you'll be able to buy souvenirs for a fair price. Obviously you have to bargain, but it was so lovely walking around, and I hope anybody that comes to Egypt explores the Khan al-Khalili bazaar. Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Cairo. Today I'm traveling to Aswan. It's another beautiful city, but before that there is this old bazaar, like super old, that people come here. A lot of vendors are here, selling things. You guys know how bazaars are. Anywhere in the world, you get good deals for a good price. My point is not really to buy things. I just want to explore, but you never know, you might find something. But then I asked my Uber driver if he can put me in a good place, and he told me there is this cafe, very old cafe, very nice. So we're gonna start from there, and then we'll walk around, inshallah. So far I can already see this bazaar has restaurants, food places, clothing places, jewelry places, so many things. So check this out. Wallah.
So nice.
Hello, say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Yes.
Ahmed, you gonna show me around?
If you want,
Yes?
you're welcome.
Okay, so guys, I'm just walking around. Obviously Ahmed just came through. I'm going to the cafe El Fashawi. قديم صح؟
قديمة.
Okay.
12 100 يعني 1200.
Wow.
1200 سنة.
1,200 years. Very old, huh?
That's right.
Okay, so guys, we're walking there. He offered to help, obviously. You know what that means. So you went to Maryland.
Yes, I've been to Maryland and I've been to Brooklyn.
Brooklyn?
But the bad side in Brooklyn, not the good side.
Not the good side. I like that. You should come visit us again.
Yeah, I will.
Yes?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
You will show me around?
Yes, why not?
Hey, beside you, she said she will show me around. Okay?
Yes.
Remember that.
Thank you. So guys, look, it's very busy. Hello. Very busy. You can see so many cars. You just have to hustle. Wow. Explain to people.
Of course, go ahead.
So guys, Mohammed, صح? Ahmed is telling me there's 3 markets here: Egyptian market, Chinese market, and Turkish market. And behind me is the big entrance, the famous entrance. And you said 1,200 years.
Yeah. If
Wow.
you search in Google, if you are in America now, guys, and search in Google about anything in Egypt, the first picture comes to you in Google. This roof up here, bro.
Yes. See?
This one up here.
Yeah. So now we entering the Egyptian side.
Yeah, now
Okay.
the Egyptian market.
So guys, obviously vendors, they selling things, clothes, jewelry, a lot of things. So we're gonna go explore and maybe bargain, yeah?
Why not?
Marianne. So guys, we have entered the spices side. So let's go see that.
Let's see.
Guys, I was trying to show you guys the spicy markets, but some people have, hard time. They don't like cameras, and I was told there was an incident with a guy here who was recording, and then they fought with the price issue. There was a price issue, and then so I couldn't record as much as I wanted, but there's a lot of spices here, and it was really like lovely seeing different kinds and the things they use in Egyptian food, and it was really amazing. But then you gotta respect the rules. For some people, they don't want the camera, so we don't record.
The street. Now it's okay.
Yes.
Open. Okay, come. Well, this machine is the first machine in all Egypt. This machine is like 650 years old.
650 years
It's the
old.
first machine make the face, the head for the king. Because in
these
Egypt-
heads.
Yeah, because
Okay.
in Egypt, before the president was a king.
Okay.
So it was
They used to wear
for the
this.
king, yeah.
Wow, that's an old machine.
Look, come.
This is for men, right?
Yeah, for a king. You look queen in actually. You look queen.
So,
You have the
so the king used to wear this.
Exactly, yeah. And this one is the machine they make it. Inside here.
This is
It's
the
called
Turkish way.
market, yeah.
Okay.
Here there is all factories, and the people work inside these factories by hand. They
Okay.
make the original handmade work, and you can see by your eyes the difference between the
Okay.
original one made here by hand, how the people make it, and the fake one selling the Chinese.
Okay, okay.
But
So guys, we're just walking around. Ahmed is showing me different parts.
sorry, my hair is not that good.
No, you're fine. So we're walking around and checking out different parts, different things they do here.
Don't worry, guys. That's my sister.
Yes,
I
thank
will
you.
look after her.
Hey, thank you, thank you.
So guys, after walking around the bazaar, Ahmed brought me to this guy who has a collection of arts. All of this is done by hand, like very artistic, and showing me how some people create fake things using plastic, but and I was able to see the difference between two different arts. It was really like very good learning experience. Please go support his business and any local business. Matter of fact, one or two things will go a long way, and this was really beautiful, just seeing Egyptian arts come into life when you turn the lights off.
So guys, I'm in this art shop. I bought some things for my mom as a gift. So if you get a chance, come up. They have a lot of beautiful arts and writings and some historic, some Islamic. اسمك يا عم؟
سعيد.
سعيد. شكرا عم سعيد. خذ بقى. عندك 100؟
ايه لا
اتفقنا 500.
ماشي علينا.
Guys, please visit and also support the locals, because sometimes when you buy something, it goes very long way for them. So do that.
Very good.
So guys, still walking around with
Now
Ahmed.
Now the way to the handicraft, where
Your
I'm
work.
doing my handmade
Okay.
work.
This place is
Hey guys, please, just see the difference between the original work I do by my hand and the fake one. Believe your eyes, don't believe me, okay?
all right. Let's check. Let's
do
go
that.
give him a chance. Check him out. No, everybody's hustling. He's doing tour guiding. He's also has a small job on the side. That shows you the hustle, man. It's real. This road is really beautiful.
واحدة
One for me.
واحدة للولد الصغير. يلا. Actually, this is my small workshop. Go to show them.
You do it part time?
I do all that by my hand.
Okay.
That's jewelry boxes.
Okay.
With the mother of pearl with the seashell.
Okay.
But now I'm gonna show you how I do that and what is the difference between the original one I do by my hand and the fake one selling in the Chinese market.
Okay. You're working with?
I'm working with like 4 or 5 different kind of work.
Yes.
Stuff like white seashell, and that's come from the Red Sea.
Okay.
And blue seashells, and that's come from Australia.
Wow.
Okay. And camel bone.
Oh wow.
Camel bone.
Yes.
That's come from the desert. And we use the cedar wood and the ebony wood. Okay. At the beginning, we get this one here, and we cut this one.
You curve
Put
it.
it in rubbish. It will be flat like this.
Mm-hmm.
We use the flat one. We cut it here. Come with me. We cut it here. Long piece, long piece, long piece. It's going to be like this. After cutting, it will be long piece like this. And after I have a friend, he stays here, and he has this small knife.
Yes.
You look at this knife, and he has all this kind of wood.
Right.
And he has come with me. And he has this small machine here, so he can cut any size and any design he wants in this machine from this kind of wood, because that's different size.
Yes.
He cut it here. After he cut the small pieces, he going to give to this man, Haitham, and Haitham working piece by piece like what you see.
Okay.
There is all piece by piece. Touch it, Mariana. Touch, please.
Oh wow.
You can feel it.
So once it's dry,
It's all yes. We make it by
shiny.
we make birch.
you polish it.
Yeah.
So guys, in this video, Ahmed is showing me, how fake boxes are made and the real one using all the elements he mentioned, camel bones, seashells, things that are like very hard to find, and it takes a longer time, and some people use. So he sells both, but he sells one on high end and then one in the markets, in the bazaar. So it was really lovely seeing how hard these artisans and craftsmen work, and and again, the hustle is on. He does this work and he does tour guiding. It's amazing. You can't knock off his hustle, guys. It was really nice, and not only did I like the boxes, but I also saw some of it in the streets, and I know how much they were selling for, because he was the main guy they were supplying it from. It was really nice.
Okay, Ahmed. So now we are done seeing your artwork.
Yes.
If anybody's interested, they can come to
Welcome
your
you
shop.
and your friend.
Thank you so much. And
And like what you see, all my handmade work, it's original and all factory price.
Yes.
So you welcome and your friend work.
and guys, the
welcome
price
anytime.
is reasonable. Please support the locals. If you wanna send gifts to your family, your friends, your husband, your wife, your girlfriend, whatever. So guys, I'm going to the cafe I was telling you about. I'm done walking around. So guys, now we are actually in the very touristy spot. You will see everybody. So guys, we are at this old cafe. Very beautiful, very touristy. So many people out here. See, we're just relaxing. I will have some tea and then I'm ready to go because I have to go to the airport. I ordered some tea, but as you can see, it's very nice area and very touristy, obviously. Okay guys, we just left the cafe.
Yes, Fishawi Cafe.
Fishawi Cafe, 1200 years old. Ahmed, I want to say thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I want to tell people, you know guys, Ahmed's information, his WhatsApp number, it will be here. If you want to use him to learn more about Cairo, the bazaar, the food, all of it, give him a chance. Anything you want to say?
You're welcome, sister. I just want to say you are a very good person and I appreciate your help. And I wish everybody in your follow, follow you. When they come to Cairo, they just ask about me, and I will help them without anything.
So you're gonna be nice to my people, huh?
Of course.
All right. All right, guys. I have
You're
to.
a sister.
Thank you. I have to go back. My flight. I have to go to the airport. So let me take a taxi, and then we go from there. Hey guys, I'm at the airport. Earlier I was rushing. The bazaar was really good, old, historic, you know, touristy, all of it. But Ahmed did really well for me, showing me around. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more content coming live from Egypt. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Much love. And oh, don't forget, if you guys are interested in using Ahmed, his WhatsApp number is in the description area. Please give him a chance. Bye bye.